Exactly. Here we go. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with his 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much he sang this song. My buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons, my buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3.
I'm free.
You are, honey. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1.
2
minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete... I'm sorry, 1.
Goodness no.
Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! 1 button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry?
Goodness no.
Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw?
His belly button.
His belly button, and he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button.
I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry?
Goodness no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end.
Thanks for watching our Pete the Cat thing.
Good job, guys. You're a better reader than Mom.